What's cracking? So listen, day trading in crypto, what it means is buying and it's selling digital coins at a short amount of time to make a profit. So to do this well, you need to find a good strategy. One of the best strategies is called buy low, sell high. This method is the best. This method means buying cryptocurrency when the price is very low and the price goes higher. Simple as that. It sounds simple, but it requires you to pay close attention to the market. Another useful strategy is watching trends. That's number two. You can look for patterns in the price for a cryptocurrency over time. For example, some coins might rise in price during certain hours of the day, while others might drop. All right? So by noticing these trends, basically you can plan when to buy and sell and get the best prices. It's also important to set a stop loss order. Okay, so basically this means telling your platform automatically to sell if a coin falls below a certain price point. It helps you to limit your loss and protect your money. Lastly, you got to stay patient. Daily trading can be exciting, but it's important not to rush. Watch the market carefully, plan your moves, carefully make smart choices, and with time you're going to get better at predicting prices and make successful trades. So that's what it is. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, because you get what you give.